Key fobs use coin cell batteries that last 2 to 4 years. First, identify your battery type in the fob's manual or on the underside. Carefully pry open the fob case using a small plastic pry tool or flathead screwdriver. Gently remove the old battery, noting positive and negative orientation. Insert new battery correctly with positive usually facing up. Snap the case shut and test the fob. Consider wearing gloves to prevent oil transfer and recycle the old battery. Not doing so can result in you having to get a new key fob, as that can damage the key fob's internals. After replacing the battery, resync the fob by cycling the vehicle's ignition or holding the unlock button near the door handle. For some encrypted fobs like Honda's 2024 Accord, dealer resyncing might be necessary if the DIY method fails. The future includes battery-free fobs using kinetic motion or ambient light and smartphone-based digital keys like Apple's Car Key. By 2030, many vehicles may eliminate physical fobs entirely, favoring UWB tech. Remember, incorrect battery polarity or improper resyncing can lead to costly dealership visits. Always double-check the battery type and polarity before closing the case.